Hi guys, it's Angie.
Hi guys, it's Will.
This is my son Romeo and Alex, and they're going to be helping me today. So, what are we doing?
Oh, unboxing the FabFitFun box.
The fall box. We're so excited. Well, I'm so excited. I've been waiting for this for a while, and we haven't opened it yet, so this is all a surprise to us. But Romeo's going to take everything out, right? And Alex already left. Okay, so let's open up the box. It's a big box.
Can I open it? I want to do this part.
The box is really nice and festive. Look, it has a bunch of fall
Can I do this part, Mom?
pictures, fall theme, leaves, fall colors.
Crayon.
And then the inside is opposite. Ooh, it says, hold on, fall 2018 box.
But the first thing I saw was a FabFitFun magazine.
So there's a magazine.
And what's in it? Stuff that you could get, maybe.
Actually, in the magazine, it's a little bit about every product in the box. I think it tells you.
It tells you what you can get.
Yeah, what you have in the box, how much they are. Some coupons for HelloFresh and
Life switcher.
a Luma bar ad.
Ooh, and there's a sticker that says "Share to win FabFitFun." First thing I saw was a Luna
Bar.
Luna bar.
Gilica. Salted caramel nut. I'm gonna be stealing this from her, guys.
Alex loves caramel.
And the second thing I saw was this Glam Glow bubble sheet.
And there's actually 2 of those
Yeah.
in the box.
And the next thing that I see is the blue and capsule.
What is this? This is Blue and Capri shower gel.
One of the things that I saw was a beauty blender.
Yeah, I was gonna get that.
Okay, this is cool because beauty blenders are retailed at $20 and the box was $49. So this is already almost half of what you paid for this awesome box.
Save this for us.
So that's a good buy. And then the
And
Glam Glow.
This thing, I don't know what it is. It's just like a white box.
Let me see. Okay.
Okay?
Can I see?
Yeah.
Hold on. This is a Grown Alchemist Hydra Repair Day Cream. Free from skin aging toxins and carcinogens.
Mom,
It's a bath soak for like a bath
it's,
if you take baths.
oh, whoa. And that's all for you.
This is a whimsical towel. And a nice color.
Oh, this is nice. Yeah, it's like a kitchen towel. And it's actually 2 of them. I love gray, so this is nice.
Like, you do that one.
Okay, this is the Vince Camuto bag. We got it in black, or I got it in black. It's like a tote. It smells good. You can put books in here, or I'm probably gonna use it for books.
Makeup.
It's black and gray. I picked one of these cute little ceramic teapots. You can put your tea, loose tea in here, or a tea bag, and then let it steep.
And the final thing is this Cobra Bluetooth headphones in white and gold. this is the back.
So we can't wait to try all these things out. I can't wait. I'm excited. And I'm excited to see what the next box is gonna look like.
Can I open this?
So let me know what kind of items you got in your box, if you got the same things or different ones, but I feel like it's totally worth $49. I think they make one every season, which is 4 times a year, so that's cool. And I did need a new beauty blender, so I'm happy.
And in real life, if you got these, it would be more expensive.
Yes.
So
I think these were retailed
at
at about $50, so.
it'd be like over 100.
It's worth about $200. And then we have filler paper.
They're fun.
All right, that's it for now. See you next time.
Bye.